I'm Joe Moriello, QA lead with Vision Technologies. I've been with Vision for 3 years. My favorite part of working with Vision is the people and the leadership. You can really feel like your efforts at Vision are noticed and recognized. The Audiovisual Quality Assurance Lab is a controlled environment that we can bring in systems that are going out to the field and get them tested and updated and ready for deployment. The advantage the QA lab provides during commissioning is we can put the field engineer in a different path when troubleshooting. So in other words, if we know that it worked in here, when it gets out in the field and it's not working, the field engineer has a different avenue of troubleshooting to take. The lab improves delivery by just putting the systems through its paces, updating equipment as needed. Anything that goes wrong in here in a controlled environment and away from customers' eyes, so they don't even know about it. The kinds of projects that we work on in the QA lab are a lot of conference rooms, classrooms for higher ed. We've been doing a lot of huddle spaces. It really runs the gamut between smaller things like huddle rooms and then up to full-size auditoriums. The largest project we worked on in the QA lab was a project that we had over 1,000 devices that all needed to be named and addressed and configured in about a 3-week period. And I had about 5 or 6 people working in here with me pretty much the whole time. The QA lab is unique. I've never worked at a company with one. We even had a manufacturer come in for a lunch and learn, took a tour, and ended up offering us beta equipment to test. We use the QA lab to ensure that we're giving our customers a world-class experience by doing our due diligence to get the systems ready for deployment.